Welcome everyone to the test discussion sessions conducted by Civils 360 IAS Academy. In this session, we will be discussing sectional test 7, which was regarding Indian economy. Okay. So here the first question. In the following, circular flow of income, real flow refers to the movement of goods and services, while money flow refers to the payments for them. So here the question is talking about the circular flow of income. The circular flow of income, basically it's how the money is transferred from the households to firms and through the entire economic system, right? So you have the firms here, you have the households, right? So the households, which is usually what we call, they have the various factors, right? The various factors of production, right? Land, labor, capital and everything, right? So the households, they provide the what we can call the factors, okay? The factors of production, right? And the firms in return will give them salaries, right? Wages and and here then you have the government as well, okay? So these are the different players inside the circular flow of income, right? So in the circular flow of income, real flow refers to the movement of goods and services, while money flow refers to the payments for them. So here remember, real, whenever the term actually real is coming in context to the economics, keep in mind it is not just talking about the actual tangible things as well. It includes those kind of things, plus it also includes things that are directly contributing to the economy, okay? Please remember, whenever you hear the word real, okay, in the context of economics, it means those items are directly contributing to the economy or directly connected to the economy, okay? And the prima facie or the straightforward meaning is that it consists of some tangible material, okay? That meaning is also there, but it also has to be associated with the meaning things that are directly connected to the economy, okay? Directly contributing to the economy. Okay, real flow refers to the movement of goods and services, while money flow refers to the payments for them. So here you can see the real flow. Okay, real flow comes from the households, right? From to the household to the various firms and companies and all those things. And it consists of the various factors of production, land, labor, capital and all those things. Capital in the form of savings. And money flow, okay, which is given by these companies in return to the households in the form of salaries, wages, benefits, for that, which is actually known as the cost of factors of production, right? So the factors will extract a cost which is actually given by the firms back to the households, and this is the money flow that we are talking about, right? So this is the real flow and this is the money flow, right? And money flow refers to the payments for them, okay? I hope this concept is clear. By principle, the aggregate estimate of national income remains the same whether calculated by the expenditure method, output method or income method. So here they are talking about different concepts, the calculation of national income, right? So you know about GDP, and you know that there are typically basically three methods of calculating GDP. You have the expenditure method, the output method, as well as the income method, right? So say there's just one person in the economy, right? So not just one person, let's say there are two persons in the economy, right? So A and B. Okay, say A produces something, right? So the value of that product, okay, so this is the economy. Say A produces something. So what is the GDP of this, the economy of this system? Okay, the value of that A produced, right? So the value of that output, if you calculate it, also it will give the estimate of the national income, right? That of that economy. That is what we call as the output method. So this output or whatever A actually produced, say B bought it, right? So B is now spending, right? Expenditure, right? So if you calculate expenditure of B, that is also the same thing, right? It also gives the national income which was calculated by the output method, same thing, right? And now say when B actually bought that item from A gained income, right? And so the income method, okay, that will be the income method. If you calculate GDP by income method, that will be the value. So if you look at like this very simply, whenever you get confused, break it down to the basic concept and thing like that, okay? So if you look at like that, then it's clear all these three values have to be same in a an economy. So I hope this question is clear. So both these statements are actually correct, right? Both these statements are actually correct. So we will option C will be the answer, right? Okay, so that is actually given here. They are all the same. Okay, I hope the concept is clear.